Now in this next over, here's Garner, bowling from the nursery end. And he bowls, plays over a Yorker. Gooch is out for a bright 32 runs. In England, 183 for 4. It is white cap. Here's Gower's fourth ball only. Oh, he tries to cut a straight ball, and he's out for naught. 186 for 5, England. Oh, another Yorker. He's out, full leg stump, out first ball. So he qualifies for the primary club. 186 for 6. And now it's Garner on a hat-trick. Edmonds is the batsman. Oh, he barely bowled him, just missed the off stump by a cat's whisker. And his last. Garner bowls him for naught. England 192 for 8. It's Garner to the new batsman Taylor. He's touched it. Murray catches it, Taylor's out first ball, 192 for 9. Congratulations all round to Garner on another hat-trick here.